Give the change in the stopping distance as speed changes from x is equals to 20 and 21 miles per hour. To do this, we will use the equation given to us of changing stopping distance. First, we plug in 20 in x to find what is the stopping distance when the speed is 20. So we plug in the information and we get 744. Then we plug in the 21 as a speed, again in the same equation, to find the stopping distance when the speed is 21. 3.2 times 21 plus 1.7 times 21 squared. $67.2 plus 749, which gives us 816.9. So now we've gotten both stopping distance with the different speeds, with 21 and with 20. And so to find the change in the stopping distance, our equation would be T2, which is stopping distance 2, minus T1, which is stopping distance 1. Our speed, we use the speed and the equations we used last time. So we use 816.9, which is T2, minus 744, which is T1, and we get 72.1 in distance. So our change in the stopping distance would be 72.9. To solve this question, the only thing you have to do is divide the answer you got by 100 and place it as a percentage.
For this problem, we will use our original equation. But first, we need to calculate our change in x by using the formula x2 minus x1. In this case, our x2 is 21 and our x1 is 20. So our change in x is 1. Therefore, our dx is also 1. Now, we need to calculate our approximation by using the formula of dy, which is... But first, we need to get the derivative from our original equation, which is... Now that we have our derivative, we can start substituting. Where there's an x, we use our x1, which is 20, and then we multiply times our dx, which is 1. So this gives us 71.2, and this is our approximation. The percentage represents the change from 21 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour.
Since in this problem we have a subtraction to a power, we're going to use the method called integration by substitution. Our u will always be the one that has the bigger power, so in this case our u is 1 minus 4x squared. And to find our du, we need to find the derivative of u and multiply that times dx. Now, to find our greatest common factor, we should divide the part in the top by our du. We cancel out the x and we divide 16 by negative 8, which leaves us with a negative 2. After that, we place the negative 2, which is our greatest common factor, and we multiply that times u to the negative 3/2, and that by du. Now we apply the power rule, in which we add 1 to the exponent and divide it by the same exponent, in this case negative 1/2. We divide 2u into 1/2, which leaves us with a positive 4, and we add a c. Now we cannot leave our answer in terms of u, so we place the u which we had at the beginning, which was 1 minus 4x squared. And that's our final answer. 4 over square root of 1 minus 4x squared plus c.